Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to show the file path of your Excel workbook within a worksheet. Now I'm going to show you various different ways of doing this. There's a couple of ways you can do it with formula. There's a simple copy and paste solution that doesn't require you to go outside of Excel. And if you're going to print the worksheet out, you might also want to show the file path in the header or the footer. Okay, so let's start with the formula solutions. Got a couple of functions you can use. The first of which I'll show you is the info function. And all you do is select directory in this list, close the bracket, press enter. And what that's doing is returning the local file path for your current workbook. It doesn't include the file name. Now another function you can use is cell, and what you'd want to do is choose file name in this list, close the bracket, press enter, and that's giving you the remote path for this file. Now cell returns the file name and the sheet name. Now if you wanted to exclude the sheet name, you could use the left function to return everything up to this closed square bracket. I'll show you how you might do that. So you'd use left. The text is returned by our cell function, and the number of characters, well, we would need to find the location of that closed square bracket. Within text, well, the text returned by this cell function. And then if you close the bracket there twice and press enter, that will return the file path, including the file name, but without the sheet name. Now, if you don't need the file path to update automatically, you don't need to use formulas to return the file path. So you could just do a simple copy and paste, and you can do that without going outside of Excel. So if I go to File and then Info, you'll see up here you've got copy path and copy local path. So copy local path, Control V to paste it. That gives you your local path, including the file name. And I could also copy path, which will give you your remote path. Now your other option is to actually show the file path in the header or the footer, useful if you want the file path to appear on a printed version. Now the best way to do that is to go to the View tab on your ribbon and then go to the Page Layout button here. And you'll see up here you've got 3 boxes for header information, and at the bottom you've got 3 boxes for footer information. So whether you're putting the file path in the header or the footer, it's the same technique. So click into one of the boxes, go to the header and footer tab on your ribbon, and you have the option there for file path. Now if I click outside of the header, there is the file path, including the file name. Now obviously it's displaying the remote file path here, so it doesn't fit very well into a header. So maybe this isn't the ideal solution in my case. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.